Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Tara from Amplify Eye Care here in Olympia, Washington. Today we're going to go over some signs and symptoms related to allergies, or also known as allergic conjunctivitis. So typically allergies, including the eyes, present with some swelling, itching, they can often get red, and then there might just be kind of like a watery discharge coming out as well. And typically someone that has allergies affecting their eyes also has other symptoms like stuffy nose, sneezing. A lot of times it's environmental, but sometimes it can be other things as well. Typically, with mild to moderate allergies, you can usually treat it with some cool compresses, artificial tears, and there's also antihistamine drops that are available over the counter for the most part that are really good at relieving those symptoms there. But I just wanted to kind of go through some of the symptoms so that you know what to look out for. The first one is usually the swelling, and the swelling typically is around the eye here, and it can look pretty bad. And the reason why this is important to kind of pay attention to is sometimes swelling comes from allergies, but something that we want to rule out and make sure is that the swelling is not coming from an infection, which can lead to more serious side effects. So if you're having some swelling and you don't think it's allergy related, it's always a good idea to come and get it checked out to be on the safe side. Also, if you're having some swelling and you have a fever or there's pain on eye movement, things like that, then that can indicate some more serious causes of the swelling that we need to take care of right away. The other thing is redness. Typically it's just kind of like mildly red or pink, and it can often sometimes look like pink eye, but it has other symptoms associated with it. And then itching is one of the hardest ones to deal with, especially because it's so tempting to itch the eyes or rub them. Typically, if you do itch the eyes, then it's just going to make them more itchy in the long run. And then lastly, they can water, or sometimes there's even kind of like a stringy discharge coming out of the eye. And again, that's just a lot of like mucus buildup from the allergies. And like I said, a lot of times mild to moderate ones, you can use artificial tears and allergy eye drops from just the store and over the counter. And cool compresses also help a lot with the swelling and redness. If you have some serious bouts of allergies or those previous treatments didn't work, then you can always call your eye doctor and get some prescribed medication that can help take care of the symptoms as well. So allergies, it's always kind of dependent on what season it is and what affects you the most, but typically they're pretty mild and can be treated pretty effectively. But if you need, there's always medication that can help curb the symptoms a little bit quicker as well.